Good morning, everyone. So you want to be a software engineer. What is TypeScript? TypeScript is a JavaScript with syntax for types. Let's just get into it and then let me give you what our goals are today. And so my vision is to point you in the right direction for success in under 5 minutes. I'm going to show you the main website for the subject. I'm going to briefly show you some code examples. I'm going to show you free and paid training so you can teach yourself. And I'm going to encourage and motivate you to press towards the mark. Love me at profitdreamer.com. Let's just get into it. Okay. So you want to go out to Google and search for TypeScript, and it's going to take you to this website. And TypeScript is a JavaScript with syntax for types. TypeScript is a strongly typed programming language that builds on JavaScript, giving you better tooling at any scale. So let's just show you some code. So let's close this down and we'll just get right to it. Okay. And so this is TypeScript, and I'm in Angular, and you can see, let's close this down. You can see that this extension is .ts. This is TypeScript. And so TypeScript is just a form of JavaScript that gives you types. And what they mean by types is it gives you type safety. And so as you're coding, it will catch your errors. It will catch when you're not using the right variable types, or you're actually using the wrong name. And so for instance, for our revenue per unit, let's say I added revenue per units on it, you'll see it squiggling with a red line telling me, hey, there's some errors there. That's TypeScript telling me, hey, that's not correct. That is not the right type. That is not the right name. And if we scroll up, we can see that here's the name right here, and I've got it set to a number. And so if I come down here and I were to say, and let's see if we can do this, I was going to go to the form group dot value, and here's another thing. It's giving me the type. You can see this is a type form, and TypeScript knows, oh, these are the properties that you have on there, and this is something new that's in Angular 14, but we won't get into that. And so if I come down here and I say revenue per unit equals a string, let's see, it's going to complain. It's going to tell you type string is not assignable to type number. So TypeScript is smart enough to know, hey, you can't set a number to a string. If I come back and I say this is 20, you can notice the red lines go away. So it's saying, hey, you're allowed to do that. We don't want this code here, so we'll remove that. So let's just get into the free stuff. Okay, so go out to YouTube and just type in learn TypeScript, and you will get all of these free tutorials. TypeScript for beginners, TypeScript course for beginners, TypeScript tutorials, TypeScript crash course. So you have the ability to go out and get all this free training. I don't have the capacity right now to make 20-minute videos. I'll eventually get to it. My goal is to show you and motivate you to do this on your own. So go out to youtube.com. This is 100% free. You don't have to pay for it. Watch these videos. If you need help, leave me comments down below. Find me on Facebook. I will help you. If you're so inclined to pay, you can go to Pluralsight, and I recommend Pluralsight. And I don't know what it is. It's like $200 a year, $300 a year. But if you're really serious, I would get Pluralsight or Udemy or Angular University. TypeScript, getting started. Building React apps with TypeScript. TypeScript fundamentals. Pay and get this done, and you'll be able to do it also. Here's some online courses for Udemy. Wait for a Black Friday sale for Udemy. Understanding TypeScript. TypeScript, the complete developer's guide. This is only 12 bucks. It's worth your life if you want to do this to spend the 12 bucks to learn it. Okay, you can also go out to Angular University. There's a whole class here for TypeScript. And so the goal is me to show you a little bit of knowledge, you to go out and learn it. I love you all, and we're trying to make these videos under 5 minutes, and we have 30 seconds left. So I want to motivate you to reach out to me. If you need help, find me on Facebook. I will help you. Go out, do a search on Google. There was a plethora of free information, free training. You just have to do it. I believe that you can do it. This is Michael, the Profit Dreamer.